Hey guys, I'm Sam Cambetus, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus and taking a look at its features to see if this laptop is the one for you. If you're in the market for a new laptop, the Surface Pro 7 Plus is definitely worth considering, especially if you're someone trying to stay within a budget. This laptop may not be the latest model in the Surface family, but this actually works to your advantage because it comes with a more affordable price tag. Plus, you'll still be purchasing a top quality laptop from a trusted brand. Let's take a look inside the box. Let's take a look at the specs. The Surface Pro 7 Plus has a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 2736 by 1824 pixels, and it's powered by an 11th gen Intel Core i5 processor, which is perfect for everyday tasks such as browsing the web, checking emails, and writing papers. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is enough for most people's needs. If you find you need more storage later, you can always buy an external hard drive. Now, I do want to mention that this laptop doesn't come with a keyboard or a stylus pen, so you'll need to purchase those separately if you want the full experience. A keyboard is essential if you're going to be typing up papers and notes, and a stylus pen is great for taking handwritten notes and drawings. For the keyboard and mouse, you have a few options. You can go for the keyboard case that attaches to the laptop and also acts as a cover to protect the screen, or you could go for a wireless keyboard and mouse setup. I'll leave a few links in the description below with some options. But overall, I think the Surface Pro 7 Plus is great value for its price. It's lightweight, portable, and has a great battery life. It's also a 2-in-1 device, so you can use it as a laptop or a tablet, depending on your needs. And with the included Windows 11 Home operating system, you'll have access to all the latest features and improvements. So if you're a student on a budget or just looking for a reliable and versatile laptop, the Surface Pro 7 Plus might be a great option for you. That's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let me know in the comments below if you're planning on picking one up. Thanks for watching.